Good morning, and again, welcome to our class CS 110 A70. This is a one-half semester class at the starting at the end of the last half of the semester. So let's go ahead and take a look at the what you need to do to get started with our course. So I've just gone to the home page. When you go to the home page, and you're already there. You've gone out to start here. As I scroll down, you've taken a look at the course welcome video already. You've clicked on this video, getting started. So with that, let's go ahead and just touch base and think about how we can go ahead and get started with our course. First of all, what's the course about? So this course provides a broad introduction to computing, including computer and information technology concepts, economic and social implications of technology, database management, spreadsheet, word processing, and presentation applications. So again, a lot of this information will be in the syllabus. Your prerequisite knowledge and the technology component of this is a computer literacy course, so you're not expected to be a technology expert, obviously. Now, I also include a lot of video instruction. And that video instruction is there to help provide step-by-step instructions to complete things like downloading student data files and using them, and how to do assignments and how to submit assignments, all of those things. So, but with that said, it's beneficial for you as a student to understand how to download and save files, organize files in folders, open files, access Microsoft Office, work within the browser, and be able to access websites. Again, the expectation isn't that you are an expert in any of these areas, but if you have a little bit of background and can work your way around a little bit, that'll help you and save you time. So, also, reliable internet access is a must. You can also find minimum hardware specifications for PCs at this link. There's an etiquette link. That's your behavior in online classes. Please take a look at that. Regarding any discussions, regarding any comments, or email messaging or Canvas messaging to myself or to other students, be professional, be considerate, be courteous, and also with spelling, make sure your mechanics are correct. This is a professional class. Don't text speak. So those are the expectations regarding some of that etiquette. My response time is typically 24 to 48 hours, closer to 24 than 48. The best way to get a hold of me is through email or the Canvas inbox. And actually, if you send something to the inbox, the messaging, that is also sent to email. So that's the best way to get a hold of me, the quickest way. Let's see. If we move on down, there are a couple videos regarding navigation. I just also want to point out that make sure you go through, and even though we are talking about getting started, go through and reread all of this. Okay, become more familiar with this. Of course, navigation, that's a video that can help you understand how to get around Canvas in general. Our course site navigation video gets us around our specific course. It shows you where the modules are, the curricular modules, concepts, Windows Web, Word Access, or Word, Excel, PowerPoint Access, or the assignments are, the discussions, all of that. So make sure you take a look at that. Our course syllabus, these are just some of the main things out of our course syllabus: the course description, the course objectives, and our course structure. This is primarily a hands-on computer applications course. And for me, in this format, I will serve primarily as a learning facilitator. You need to make sure you check into Canvas regularly. You need to make sure you know when those assignments are due. There's a lot of help with how to do those assignments. Again, make sure you know due dates. It's really your responsibility to act as an independent learner within this kind of format. If you have questions, there's a lot of resources to answer those questions, and please ask those questions of me sooner rather than later. Don't wait. Don't wait until the assignments are almost due to start asking questions. Okay, that's frustrating for us, and it really doesn't end in your best work. Let's see, there's also additional information for the syllabus, course and campus policies, grading policies, and so on. So take a look at this. Now, the required textbook and software. We have the Computer Concepts text in Office 2016. That's required. Now, you can use Office 2013. 2016 and 2013 are pretty close. You could probably get away with using Office 2013, but 2016 is required. Let me make that statement. Now, I have data files and projects. All those things are linked on our course website, but you might see some minor differences between 2016 and 2013. Just understand that. Now, I really recommend the ebook, Computer Concepts in Microsoft Office 2016 ebook. That includes Snap. We will not use Snap. This ebook has a 1-year online access, and you get your codes via email. That's your ISBN. Here's the link to go out and order that. I think it's $133 this semester, if I recall correctly. The ebook is the best way to go. Now, and getting codes via email just expedites the process. Here's an ebook, the same ebook, but the codes are via ground delivery. So it'll just take you a little more time. Now, we have the textbook only also, but this is without data files or end of chapter projects. So none of the things that you need are included with that. Now, with that said, I have included all the things that you will need on our course site. We have data files out there, we have PowerPoints out there for 2016, and we have end of chapter projects out there in a PDF format as well, linked up on our site. So even though the ebook is the best solution and the less expensive solution actually, the textbook is okay. And if you picked up the textbook and it didn't have any data files or any DVD or anything with it, that's fine. I've got all the stuff out there that you'll need. Now, you'll also need software, and this is Office 365 Pro Plus. You can get this for free. Now, this course is intended to be used with a PC and Microsoft Office 2016 only, not a Mac. Okay, so this software is 2016 for a PC. Okay, if you go out to the download Office 365 Pro Plus link, it'll take you out and take you through a series of steps, a tutorial, and show you how to go ahead and download and access this software. Now, note that our course will not be using Snap. That's sort of a simulation application that helps you learn the applications. We will not use Snap. And then, note for Mac users, only Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook are available for Macs. We'll use Microsoft Access. I've had students who have tried to use a Mac for this course, and they were more or less successful with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. But when it came to the Access part, that's the relational database part, they either had to find a computer at a library in a computer lab, or simply were not able to finish the particular module. So, and that drops you from a 1-letter grade just like that. So if you do try to use a Mac, software needs to be as updated as possible, and you'll need to understand that you'll have to find Microsoft Access at some point in time towards the end of our course. Now, what I want you to do first is enter a short biography. So share what you feel comfortable sharing, family, interests, major, career plans, all those sorts of things. We want to get to know you. We want to get to know each other. And then the modules and sections that we'll be covering are Computer Concepts, Windows Web, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. And these are the dates that we're covering those particular modules. The last date, for instance, Tuesday, March 21, is it's the second day of spring break. This is a short 8-week course, so I had to use that spring break time to be able to find enough time to be able to get through all of the content and to stretch those modules out as long as possible. You see what I'm saying. Um, so again, if you don't want to do any work over spring break, simply complete those projects by Friday, March, what is it, 19th, 18th or 19th? 18th, I think. So 21, 2019, 18. Yep. Friday, March 18th. Um, and you don't have to start the next week until the Sunday or something of the next week. This is a short section, so this shouldn't take you very long. That's why I have this listed out. It really is only about a week. So anyway, there you go. That's what the module and date structure looks like. And then at this point, I think you're ready to go ahead and start working with the computer concepts module. You can just go ahead and click on that. That's the first module that we'll start. So that's how we're getting started with our course. If you have questions or comments, please contact me, and thank you.